Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. As you can see that we have seen a swing has formed at a level of around 2.05 to $4. After that there is a continuous fall and a big swing has formed at a level of $1.602. Okay, that is where we have seen an upside, but after sustaining a level of $2.527 we have seen there is a fall. Two things that you have to note, that there is a U pattern is forming. So if the price started sustaining above a level of 1.8580 dollars around, we will see a further upside movement because this pattern will support further high, and then we can see it will move above a level of 1.9, and then from there a further upside movement we can see. Second thing is that if you look at the longer view, we have seen this is the longer view we can see, and there is a continuous fall. So probability can be high that if the price started falling, which has already fallen below this level $1.8512, so it is trading at this particular low. So chances can be high if the price started moving below this particular level. Suppose the price started going below this particular level, chance of going towards 1.7247 will be there, and from there a probability of going towards 1.6250 will be there. And if the price keep moving below that level, a further fall we can see. Now previously what we have seen that it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for so long. So as soon as the price started going upside, we have seen 3.5 and 3.6 high, but now it has moved out of this particular zone. Once the price started falling below a level of 1.6, a further downfall we can see as you're looking at this particular chart. Let's see a dollar index price. As you can see dollar index has made a sharp rise today. What we have seen after that, there is a fall in the gold price as well as natural gas price. Okay, and I've already explained that if the price started falling below 102.9, a further downfall we can see in the price of dollar index, which will in turn increase the price of natural gas. But if the price keeps sustaining above a level of 103, a further upside movement we can see, because there are two patterns forming in the dollar index, as you can see looking at this particular chart. The first pattern is this particular pattern. So if the price started falling below 102.9, which we can see looking at this particular trend, small trend, a further downfall. So started going above level 103.5, a further upside we can see in the price of dollar index. So we can, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more will add in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Let's see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1.7190, and if that level move further down, then we can see it can go towards 1.6, 170. If the price keep moving below that particular zone, chance of touching 1.6370 will be there, and then it will move below a level of 1.6140 dollars. Okay, which is already being tested. So chances are high it will move below a level of 1.6 dollars, and yes, there is a higher chances that it will started going below a level of 1.6, and it will touch a level of around 1.580 dollars. Okay, and then from there a probability of going towards 1.5320. As soon as the price started moving below this level, a further downfall we can see. But suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, it can move towards a level of 1.8430 dollars, and from there a probability of crossing level of 1.8650. As soon as the price started going out that level, we will see it will touch a level of 1.9350, and then from there we can see it will cross a level of 2.0756 dollars, and it will move out of this zone. So chances of going towards a level of 2.156 will be there, and then we will see it will move in this particular zone. So chances are high. From there we can see a level of 2.3 to a level of 2.5, and then this particular pattern will support. So chances are high we can see a level of 2.9, and from there it will cross a level of $3. So as soon as the price started going over level of 2.5, I'll make another video explaining where it will go. So any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or go in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up.